Alright people, welcome back to my channel. My channel is Ayyyoooo. Alright, as to this guy, I would like to promote 5 countries. Now, it's not the same like, it's not a museum. We call that Museum Kota Langsa. This is very tall and awesome, seen in 1873 at the time. Netherlands attacked Aceh first time. This is this building built by Netherlands colonial Dutch. This is very tall and awesome, not only in Banda Aceh but also in, we call what East Aceh, Aceh Timur or Langsa. We have a lot of Kerkhoff or grave, Marshall Netherlands graveyard. This is very tall and awesome. Can you imagine that? These are things like cannon, sword. These are things from dog. Look like, can you make like the picture in? This is declaring in 1873, April 10 the time the attack in Aceh. Aceh doesn't have a problem big deal with Netherlands time, but this is very tall famous. If you want to come visit Aceh from Europe, United States, everything, everywhere, go visit here. It's actually called that Langsa is very totally famous for this, and then very totally awesome because here a lot of created by Netherlands. You could imagine that in your mind, in your brain. This is very totally because this is very awesome. Today I would like to promote Mangrove Forest. It's #1 media. It's only in East Aceh Timur. This is a weapon very tall long time ago. This weight only 5 kilograms. How could you can bring in and then raining everywhere? Nobody is very this weight. It is very awesome. This is created by Netherlands. But I couldn't imagine that this weapon or this gun created in 1873. Alright, if you want to visit Indonesia, don't forget to stop by Aceh. So exactly created by these people. Don't know yet who this thing like nobody. Including this. A thing led by Netherlands. Alright? Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel because as to this that I want to promote 5 countries, my profit or my country Indonesia, 5 countries like Asia, Africa, United States, United Kingdom, Australia. This is 4th reason Indonesia. Alright, terdapat.